This is probably one of the worst Goodwills I've seen for what they're doing to pricing and possibly ruining merchandise. Because as you see here, this one is $14.49. It's a beautiful glass dolphin, except that its nose is broken off. And I'm going to actually have several other items to show along those lines. Here's another item. This is a Melita ceramic coffee pour over, which is actually a very nice item, priced at $4.49, which in itself is a little too much, but then look at the crack. What is somebody thinking? So here is a cat tree in pretty bad shape, actually, for $119. I wouldn't even pay $40 for that. And then we have the highlight of ignorance when it comes to Goodwill. Not that this is in the best condition, but it's a leather sofa, and what do? Big red X on it. What the flying fudge is going on with Goodwill? Don't even bother answering that.